This is a CD-mate disk image. It's an obscure format for burning disks. If you don't have CD-mate, you should convert it to an ISO file so other programs can read it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the converter. We're tackling this CMI file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. When indexing, the system places CMI into the data file group for classification. The file operates using the encoding model of CD-mate image. A CMI file is a disk image format primarily associated with CD-mate, a software utility used for creating and managing CD-ROM images. These files contain an exact sector-by-sector copy of the data stored on a CD or DVD, including all files, folders, and boot sector information. CMI images are used for archiving, backing up, or distributing software and data originally stored on optical disks. CMI files are typically created using CD-mate or similar disk imaging software. The format stores the raw data from the optical disk, often including error correction codes and other metadata specific to the CD or DVD format. The structure allows for accurate replication of the original disk's contents, ensuring that the image can be burned back onto a physical disk or mounted as a virtual drive. The developer of CD-mate, CD-mate developers, created the original specifications for CMI. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows does not process proprietary data structures, so dedicated applications must read them. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .cmi files are metadata files used by Windows setup or system components and are not meant to be opened manually. Next, run system scans. If errors occur, run System File Checker, SFC Scanno, to scan for and repair damaged Windows system files. Finally, check permissions. Ensure the Windows user account has full read-write permissions to the associated Windows component folders. If you found this solution to be the most efficient one online, please like the video and subscribe. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.